Oh, Meg, fair play. I used to do performing arts, and it might shock you all, but they used to give me the bonkers roles, you know, like in Oliver. I was, is it Mr. Bumble in Oliver? Is it that? Yeah, I was her, and it is so hard to sing and perform and dance at the same time, and that was a really hard song to take on. That was really good. Well done, babe.
Yeah.
Zoe.
It's like, hello?
Sorry, she's winding me up, man.
It's like you come here this week, right? And you're like a different person. Like, I feel like I was watching a different person. You come across as so much more confident and comfortable. I feel like musical theatre is like more up your street, isn't it? Yeah, that was crystal clear in that performance. Your diction and control was so much better than what we viewed, you before. You looked the part, you performed it so well. You've really done really well with this challenge week, so you should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Kelly?
I love the confidence in that song. I love the way that you performed it. I think your breath control is absolutely fantastic. It's such a fast song with so many words, and then you have to go straight into that belt, and I think you handled that fantastically. You've got the perfect tone for musical theatre, and I think that song was just right up your street. It was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Kelly. Joe?
Yeah, Megan, when we do these things, when we select these themes and that, right, sometimes along the way, we really find people's lanes. And honestly, after tonight, I don't think anything you've done this season comes close to the standard you was up then. So I've been pinpointing that in the last couple of weeks, if you remember, like with timing and the way you put your runs in and that, and I've been mentioning that it's not one of your strongest strengths, and to keep the notes clear. And today, they were straight notes, and all of a sudden, you bang on. You're on form. So you're finally in the right path. So if this is what you do, I want to see more of it. All right? I know obviously there's only so much you can do with themes and that coming up and stuff, but this is definitely you. This is you as an artist, 100%. Now I've seen it, I can honestly confirm that with you, that this is definitely your lane. And I can only tell that just by when you've done the other songs and you've tried to put your own spin on them, and there's been a lot of work to be done with the timing, and some of the runs have been a little bit out and everything like that, is because your strength is with belt and that sort of thing. And this worked really well in your favour. You looked the part tonight. It was by far your best performance. I mean, the only thing I wanted to pick up on is obviously as a theatre singer, something we get used to, like with your pieces and that, then you get to move around. But because we're using a mic, remember, even though you're acting it out, that mic's got to go with it. All right, it's got to stay with you at all times when you're singing, because sometimes we lose in the voice a little bit. But honestly, vocally, this is your best so far you've done for us, right there. Well done. Well done.